friends. Today you are watching All About Goats. Goats are four-legged herbivorous animals of the Bovidae and genus Capra. There are more than 900 million live goats in the world, and most of them are kept as livestock to fulfill the need of their meat, milk, and skin. Aba, tunggu sebentar ya, Ba. The body size is around 1.3 meters to 1.4 meters long, and their body height is around 41 centimeters to 58 centimeters. They can reach the maximum body weight of 120 kilograms. The size of their tail is around 12 centimeters to 15 meters. It is usually points up. They have two horns of various shape and size. Some have two large ears and their head. All body is covered by short hair. Cheers, mate!